What's going on? Today we're going to be fixing a ripped bike seat. So you can see this is pretty bad. So if you want to fix your ripped bike seat, the things you're going to need are some kind of spray adhesive. I just happen to have this Gorilla spray adhesive. It's heavy duty. And then you're going to want some painter's tape, a Q-tip, and then a paper plate to spray the spray adhesive on. So I'm gonna just spray this with adhesive so it'll shake it up, and follow the instructions on the back. Okay. So we're just gonna spray a whole bunch of it on this paper plate. Just like that. And then you want to take your Q-tip and dip it in the spray adhesive on the plate, and then get it on the torn part of the seat. And then we're going to tape the cut section down. So I get like a cross pattern, taping it down. And then this glue says it's a permanent fix in a little bit over 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna let this dry. Alright, so it's been more than 24 hours. And we're gonna take off the tape and see how the glue held up. Nice. So the tear is fixed, but now you have this yellow foam looking stuff showing on the seat. We're gonna fix that by painting it with a paint marker. I have to go get it quick. Alright, so got this paint marker. You can get, this is for models, like testers models, but you can just go to your local hobby store or AutoZone and pick up a paint marker. You could try a Sharpie, but I think paint markers look a lot better. And just paint the foam. You could get like a patch if the tear is big enough. And just like that, the tear is fixed, and it looks better cosmetically with the paint marker. And I hope this helped.